It's Vince, Jim, and Marilyn. We're back at Universal Studios, Hollywood, with the 117th pick of the 2016 NFL Draft.
Marilyn, you are gorgeous.
The Los Angeles Rams select Pharoh Cooper, wide receiver, South Carolina.
So Pharoh Cooper got knocked down a little bit because he didn't run fast. But if you put his tape on...
Hang on, Jim Everett. Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Pardon me.
I like this kid. I kind of jumped the...
Go for it. No, please.
He's 5'11", 203, high school quarterback. They manufactured touches for him. He's quicker than fast. He's an ideal slot receiver. His tape is better than he tested. And when you put this kid on the field, all he does is make plays. They lined him up inside. They lined him up outside. They lined him up at running back. They lined him up at wildcat. They lined him up as a punt returner. That's what I mean by manufacturing touches. I don't care that he ran 4.58 or 4.6, whatever he ran. Here he comes throwing the football. This kid is really special.
And now he took off.
I just believe with the ball in his hands, he's a gamer. And Charles,
you know what
I love the kid.
You know what he does, guys, to me, is he breaks other teams' will. Because he just keeps coming at people and coming at people. And Mike just talked about the variety of spots he does it from. Well, my comparison tape for him is Emmanuel Sanders with the Denver Broncos. A guy that you always have to be conscious of, but even though you know it, how do you end up stopping him? Look at Cooper. Okay, what did he run again at the combine? What, 4.65 or something like that? And people dinged him for it. Look at him go up between two people and make a play. Watch